What's up, guys? So I'm back with another video today. It's actually the same day as the last video, but I'm trying to get stuff done, you know. And I got this yellow wrap, and since I kind of have a gold theme going on with the car, I'm thinking about putting this right here over the daytime running light. So that's kind of the idea of what I'm getting at. And so we all know how the last vinyl install video went. So let's see if this one goes any better. I'll catch you guys when I start trying to put it on. Alright, what's up, guys? So I got the first one installed. I kind of just did a little test run. I didn't want to waste a video and put out a video like last time and be like, oh, well, it was a fucking fail again. But that was actually a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. So I did the first one. I'm going to video the next one for you guys. So yeah, let me show you the first one real quick. So yeah, that's what's looking right. Yep, good talking. That's what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one done, and I'm gonna film that one, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like with them on. Hopefully it looks pretty cool, but I don't know. I like the way it looks. I think it goes with the whole gold theme I got going on. But yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when I start putting on the next one. Alright guys, so I'm just cutting off a little small piece right now. That should be good enough. So basically that's the look I'm kind of going for. Now I gotta peel this, there's a little piece of white plastic on this side. Alright guys, so pull that little plastic piece and just kind of stick it up here at the top. Just kind of stick it right there at the top and stick it right here at the bottom. Right there, and just gonna kind of smooth it out over the light a little bit, work any air bubbles out that I can, and just trim it and kind of tuck it. So we'll see if this one goes as easy as the last one. I'm just using a little card to kind of do it. There's a big air bubble like right here if you can see, but once I cut it right here, like right there's a big air bubble, but once I cut it right here, that air bubble just should hopefully just go out. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and just trim the sides off, and I'll get back to you guys when the sides are trimmed. Alright guys, so I got the edges cut out right now, and now I'm just kind of like the extra pieces right here and get this air bubble out. So you just push the air bubble on it like that, and it just slides out the other side where you cut it at. And then I'm gonna work on it and get the rest of the air bubbles out, and then I'll get back to you guys when I start tucking it. Alright guys, so I kind of worked some of the air bubbles out. Still a couple of them left in there. I wasn't expecting to be perfect, obviously it's me doing it. And now I'm just gonna kind of tuck the edges right here. Just tuck them back. And yeah, basically I'm going to do that along the whole rest of the light, and then try to kind of make it look as best as possible, and I'll get back to you guys when I actually turn them on and see what it looks like with the car on. So yeah, I'll catch you guys then. Alright guys, so we finished up on this side, and we're already finished on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and start the car up and see how it looks like with the lights on. I'm sure it's going to look really, really cool at night, but we'll see. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like with the lights on. On the other side as well. So it's daytime right now, so it's kind of hard to see like the effect they actually show. I mean, I'm pretty sure the light's gonna turn yellow, obviously. But yeah, so I'll get back to you guys when it gets a little bit darker, either tonight or tomorrow night. I'm supposed to be going on like a night cruise type thing, so I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna include that in this video since this video is gonna be pretty sharp. I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. I kind of like the way they look. Let me know down below how you think they look. If they look like complete trash, or if they actually look decent. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now, and I'll get back to you guys whenever I start that night cruise and see how they look at night. I'll catch you guys then. Alright, what's up guys? I'm hoping you can even see me right now. So we're outside right now with the lights, and really my daytime running lights are really so bright that it really didn't even really make a difference. I just said really a bunch of times just now. But yeah, like I was saying, it really just didn't even make a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like, but yeah, the lights is too bright. It really didn't make him look yellow at all. So yeah, I mean, you can see it whenever the lights are shining forward, like it looks yellow, but like if you're looking at it head on, it just kind of looks white. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments whether or not I should take them off or keep them on, because I really don't know how I feel about them yet. So yeah, you guys go ahead and help me out with that. Just comment down below, should I keep them or should I take them off? And I'll do what you guys say. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Keep it rolling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.